Alright guys, so I just ordered the Samsung S24 512 GB and I'm going to do unboxing right now in front of you guys. So this I ordered directly from the Samsung shop, so not from Amazon or Flipkart. Alright, so it comes slightly protected with a bubble wrap. Obviously you've got the bill. This is the phone, a very slim pack, and it's been pretty similar for the S23 Ultra as well, which I just got last month. Says do not accept if seal is broken, both the sides. So let me see. You're not able to really break the seal if you do it with speed, so do it slowly. And there you go. So I got the limited edition green color. It looks, to me it almost looks like an iPhone, because an iPhone older generation used to be with aluminum body on the corners. It's very handy, it's very light, it's around less than 200 grams and looks pretty sturdy to me. The back side is a little matte finish, almost looks like a metal, and you've got the SIM card going down from below, so it's a dual SIM card. Let's see what else is in the box. Alright, so I think it's paperwork. Let me open and see if there's anything of use. Paper, C2C cable, and wow, fantastic. The best part of the phone, the SIM ejector tool. So let's use it right now. So yeah, you've got the speakers and mics here, and you've got volume up and down, the power button here, and yeah, speakers here as well, charging port, SIM, another microphone over here. So let's see what's inside. So yeah, this supports actually one SIM card, two SIM card, and also an eSIM. So which means if you don't want a SIM card, you can do an eSIM in countries where it's accepted. This comes with an Exynos processor, unlike few of the countries where it's a Snapdragon. Let me see if it mentions that behind the processor. No, it doesn't. Okay, so let's start the phone. So there is a screen guard, and apparently it's made of paper, not plastic, which is good. And here we go. So it looks really shiny, guys. As you can see, the aluminum is really reflecting well. It's a really handy and very light phone, something that you can reach one corner to the other corner easily. Let's do secured by Knox security. It's slightly disappointing that it's a 25-watt charging capacity on the phone, so you don't really get to charge it really fast like the OnePlus 12 does. And yeah, it does come with the AI features, so I'm gonna set it up and come back to you.